Welcome to our YouTube channel, My Tech Students. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create online stores and sell products or services. It provides a user-friendly interface, a range of customizable themes, and various tools to help you set up and manage your online store efficiently. To make a profit from Shopify, here are some strategies you can consider. 1. Set up a niche store. Identify a specific niche or target market and create an online store catering to their needs. By focusing on a specific audience, you can tailor your products, marketing, and messaging to resonate with that niche, increasing the chances of conversions and profitability. 2. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you can sell products without handling inventory or shipping. Find reliable suppliers or use platforms like Oberlo, integrated with Shopify, to source products. When a customer makes a purchase from your store, the order is fulfilled directly by the supplier, and you earn the difference between the wholesale price and the retail price. 3. Print on demand. Create custom-designed products, such as t-shirts, mugs, or phone cases, using print-on-demand services. Shopify integrates with several print-on-demand platforms, allowing you to add your designs to products, handle the printing and shipping, and earn a profit from each sale. 4. Digital products. Sell digital products such as e-books, courses, templates, or software through your Shopify store. Digital products can be created once and sold repeatedly without incurring additional costs, making them a scalable and profitable option. 5. Subscription services. Offer subscription-based products or services through your Shopify store. This can include memberships, monthly boxes, or access to exclusive content. Subscriptions provide recurring revenue and build customer loyalty over time. 6. Upselling and cross-selling. Implement upselling and cross-selling strategies to increase the average order value. Offer complimentary products, bundle deals, or suggest upgrades to customers during the checkout process. This can boost sales and profitability by maximizing each customer transaction. 7. Marketing and promotion. Utilize various marketing strategies to drive traffic to your Shopify store. This can include social media advertising, search engine optimization, SEO, content marketing, influencer partnerships, email marketing, and paid advertising. Effective marketing can increase visibility, attract potential customers, and drive sales. 8. Analytics and optimization. Monitor and analyze your store's performance using Shopify's built-in analytics or third-party tools. Track key metrics, such as conversion rate, average order value, and customer lifetime value. Use the insights gained to optimize your store, product offerings, and marketing strategies for improved profitability. Remember, building a profitable Shopify store requires effort, dedication, and a well-executed strategy. It's important to provide excellent customer service, optimize your store for conversion, and continually adapt and refine your approach based on customer feedback and market trends. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel. Hit the like button and press bell icon.